All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Chrysler 300. It is a 300C model all-wheel drive. This beautiful white with black leather interior, heated seats, heated front and back seats, chrome wheels, panoramic sunroof, fog lights, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage. Got navigation on it as well. Front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. It's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread is at 730 seconds. Let me double check that. Yep, at 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks very good. This rear is a rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this one. And your tire thread is at 530 seconds. Let me double check it. Yes, sir, at 530 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. And, of course, your panoramic sunroof. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It's a powered seat, as you can see. Push start system. Does come with the key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM FM stereo system right here, as you can see. Lower the light on it. Lower the light on. There we go. As you can see, Navi system, radio. You got your heating seats, heating steering wheel. All right, very nice. Got your Navi. Boom. Radio. Boom. Got your direct tune. Da da da. Alright, you got all your heating controls and crap like that. With the back, the vents. Oh, shoot, it even got vented seats. Nice. I didn't even know that. Got AC controls right here. And steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. Turn off the light here. What your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Boom. Boom. And your mileage of 25,082. I don't know why I said 11 if I did. Alright, very nice. Got a little unlock the thing there. Boom. Boom. Keeping it moving. Open up the trunk, which is a little button somewhere here. Boom. Here's your rear passenger seat. Here's my rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest and cup holders. And then you got your rear rear heated seats. Rear bumper. Looks pretty good. It's got a couple of chips, one there, another one there, another one over there. I'm going to touch those up. That's about it. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Does have a spare tire here with some tools. Tucked away your owner's manual there, and then you have a little cargo netting for back here. Your decklet looks good. Your quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim, a rear passenger rim, I apologize. Your tire, there it is. 530 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. So that one is a powered seat. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread. 530 seconds. Lights are working. Fog lights are working. Car looks great, folks. Once again, this is the 2017 Chrysler 300. It is the C model all-wheel drive with 25,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.